Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you Independence Day special eco-friendly Rakhi making idea. Here I am using pumpkin seeds for Rakhi making. Then here I am using blue color wool and round shape white art paper. Next, staple this art paper with this wool in this way. Now apply some glue here and attach the small round shape art paper on it. Then apply some glue and attach these pumpkin seeds in this way. As the national flag of India has tricolors, I am painting this Rakhi in the same way. Now I am drawing a Ashok Chakra on a small round shape art paper. Then attach it middle of the Rakhi with glue. Next, here I am using white pearl ball to decorate this Rakhi. Then tie a knot here. Now I am doing it on the opposite side in the same way. The Rakhi is ready to use. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.